Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. The topic that is about we need to prove this equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that secant of x that is about 1 over cosine x and cosecant of x that is about 1 over sine x. So for this one we have like this. Secant of x we change for 1 over cosine x. This one we change for 1 over sine x. Next we can do common denominator. So this one we can multiply by sine x. This one we can multiply by cosine x. Now we can combine two fractions in here. Next, we can simplify sin x plus cosine x on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. And now we can swap this one, go to numerator. And we know that we need to transform into secant of x. That means cosine x we can transform into one over secant of x, because cosine x equals to 1 over secant of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.